a very, very touching prayer of Ahmad, which when you read it quietly alone, your heart bleeds for the suffering of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu. Oh my Lord, I complain to you of my total helplessness, being totally powerless, without any means. And I complain to you of my being totally unable to do anything against my enemies, against those who have overpowered me. Oh, merciful being, who is most merciful of all those who are merciful to anyone, are you relegating me to my enemies? Have you decided this? That you will hand over me to my enemies? Do whatever you may please. Hand me over to my worst enemies, to anyone. But I look only for your pleasure. If you are not angry, then everything is acceptable to me. Then there is no complaint. But what I am afraid of is your anger, your displeasure. This should not happen out of displeasure. If I don't have you, I have nothing. Without you, there is nothing left in me, nothing left for me. So this is the prayer which the Jamaat should beg of Allah for all the suffering Ahmadis in the world and for all the suffering humanity at the hands of perpetrators of crime and cruelty. And the ultimate is this prayer of Allah. Remember this. Beg for whatever you may, but also continue to remind yourself and add this into your prayer that Allah, we want the best of you. But if worst must come, it must come with your pleasure, or it will be unbearable for us.